For searching specific articles, we suggest utilizing the Advanced Article Filter option for more accurate results. This one is located on the article overview. Make sure to pay attention to the tooltips that you can find for the search options of each field. These offer valuable tips for effectively utilizing the feature. We desire to provide you with some examples of how you can utilize this special filter. Filter articles by price ranges or strategies. Explore a wide range of articles tailored to your age group. Easily filter based on different competition scenarios, competition intensity levels, and the distribution of shipping methods utilized for a comprehensive shopping experience. You have the option to combine multiple filter settings to refine and enhance your search results. It's possible to perform the search with a specific value or determine the search range starting from a value with less than or greater than in the desired direction. You can find more examples of usage in our online help. You can download the filtered articles or use them for pricing. Essentially, the enhanced article filter provides the ability to search for articles directly in SnapTrade without having to rely on a spreadsheet. If you have any questions about using the advanced filter, we're here to help.